Hi, I'm Larissa, and this is your introduction to Python programming. Python is a preferred language by many developers for many reasons. It is also believed to be a great introductory programming language. Here are some of the reasons Python works well as your first programming language. Python is developed under an OSI approved open source license, making it freely usable and distributable even for commercial use. This means that one can inspect their peers' code and improve it. Tech giants like IBM, Microsoft, Google, GitHub, etc. have also started implementing open source in their own products and services. Secondly, Python has a reputation for having a simple syntax. It's an incredibly simple language which can be understood by everyone. The syntax is similar to that of the English language, making the code easily readable and understandable, even by people who do not code. This gives a good and even canvas for beginners to not only understand basics of coding but also to do great things with very simple commands. Being a 30-year-old community, there have been lots of contributions from the people in the community, resulting in a variety of libraries and frameworks to work with. Extremely tedious processes have been converted to libraries in Python, converting n number of lines of code into a mere 2 to 3 lines of code, or sometimes even just one line. Converting n number of lines of code into a mere 2 to 3 lines, or sometimes even just one line of code. Python is compatible with almost every platform, be it Mac, Linux, Windows, or Raspberry Pi. So if you're using a MacBook or a Windows system, it wouldn't matter. Python is the same across the board. Lastly, the usage of Python. It's a multi-purpose language. You can not only write software codes, you can build web, desktop, and mobile applications. You can analyze data, perform predictions. The possibilities are endless with Python, and the ways in which Python can be used keep evolving. I hope these points have convinced you to pick Python as your first programming language. Thank you.